I just unbolted it. We're gonna remove the old coolant reservoir tank. This is gonna be placed here. Very nice. That looks super clean. Okay, after you remove the old coolant tank reservoir, you have to take, which is this bolt, and then this right here, this little ground, it actually goes down here. You have to take that off from here and move it over to here, because you will be using this and this mounting. I also went ahead and installed the 10A fitting over here and also over here. Then you have to remove this and this down here, block that off. Also have to block this intake portion off also. Want to grab yourself some of these universal caps to cap this off and this off. All right. Okay, cap those off with some zip tie. And that's capped off with some zip tie. This bottom piece goes in that nut down here, and then this one goes right here. Just gotta move some of the AC lines out. All right, I got this mounted up and the one down there mounted up, which is a pain in the ass. Had to get a swivel 12mm wrench. Had a little room I had in there just to reach this in there. Had one finger and just in this angle down there, feeling for it, but it's in now. Just had to move a couple things out the way, just ever so slightly. I gotta connect the radiator hose on the bottom of this. Gotta cut it short. And the top, I have a hose for that. This is just an overflow that drips down if it gets too full. But other than that, it looks great. All right, so I cut the OEM coolant tube out here just to make that fit down there, and I used the remaining half that I cut off for the overflow and just have it pointed down here. Now we're gonna run the in fitting lines. Starting with this one. Connected the first AN fitting, as you can see. Just connected the longer AN line. Put duct tape on our wrench. I mean, not duct tape, electrical tape. Just did a knot. Scratch up. Cut these in 10A and fitting the clamp. Make it look cleaner. as I route it that way.